Hey guys, Zix here. Time for the next weekly Bitcoin analysis video. Before we get started, let's have a quick look-see to see how far off we were. And oh my goodness, almost perfect. Almost perfect. Now let's not consider what I said after the week, because this is not right? This isn't happening, not right now. What I was hoping was we were going to have a really red candle. I was actually hoping the path was going to be more like this, right? And then come down here and then spend a day there. And then maybe this week we'd be coming back up. However, I don't think that's going to happen. I think this week is going to be more pain. Let's pick a different color. Well, I can't pick a different color yet. Let's draw it and then we'll pick a different color. So here we are here. We're starting this week. I'm a little late getting the video out today, so I apologize. But it did make my prediction look a little bit better, didn't it? Anywho, I think we're going to continue down. Well, first, let's look. The long-short ratio. Oops, get rid of that. The long-short ratio is pretty bad. Let's have a little look-see. 2.59. Ouch! 72% of retail is long. What are you guys doing to me? You guys trying to buy the dip? Quit buying the dip, you idiots. So we're going to go down some more. Right now, I believe 35K is a potential bottom. I think we're going to go down to 35K and we're going to spend the rest of the week there. That is what I think is going to happen. Or I have another very prominent level. By the way, why do I think 35K? Go watch my Chach video located in the description below. This right now is our low, right here. This 34,300 and whatever. So I do think that we're going to get really close to touching this, and then we're going to work our way back up. Have ourselves a proper spring, mind you. Like I said, if you don't know what I'm talking about with the Chach, go watch my Chach video linked in the description below. This is our current bottom. And I would like to see us not break that. However, this is also a possibility. I have another level at 31,000, about right there. And then I think we would spend the rest of the week there, and then next week possibly work our way back up. And I think this would be super healthy for Bitcoin. This would be very healthy, but also a little bit on the dangerous side, because if we break this level right here, this low here, that's bad news bears for Bitcoin, boys and girls. That means even if we just wick below this on an hourly, we're going to do this, and then we're going to come down here. Yeah, look at that, 12,000. That would be super likely if we break this low here. This is a bad spot to break. We don't want to break that. It could happen. I certainly hope not, but it could totally happen. And if it does, be ready, because there's going to be maximum pain. However, this is what I do think is going to happen for this next week. However, I do want to have a quick conversation about Ethereum. This fib channel can go away now. I do want to have a quick conversation about Ethereum. So, we had a confirmation exit from Ethereum. Remember how I said if we do this and this, go long, that's a long signal, you would have been stopped out right away. I did go long here, and I got stopped out right away. I actually entered around right here, and it was a mistake. And in hindsight, I can see why it was a mistake. Until Ethereum and other altcoins break away from Bitcoin and do their own damn thing, they're still going to follow the trend. They're still going to do what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin did not have that retest. See how I drew this line here? And we were hoping, and I was going to say go long here. We didn't. We failed to do that, and then we continued down. Because we failed to do it on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin leads the altcoin, the crypto market, Ethereum did not continue. Now, if this was if this was Forex or a stock, this would be highly unheard of. Very unheard of. Obviously, it can happen. Anything can happen. But typically, this is a signal to go long. However, Bitcoin is king, and Bitcoin said, no way, Jose, Ethereum, we're going down. And going down, it has. It sure has. And right here, we chotched. Right here, we chotched bearish. So I expect Ethereum to get back into the mid twos, possibly low twos. It all depends. It's not falling quite as hard as Bitcoin is. As you can see, Bitcoin is falling harder than Ethereum, and that's not a huge surprise. That's typically what happens. But every time this goes down, so will Ethereum. And that, my friends, is going to do it for this episode. Quick recap. I think we're either going to bottom out. My personal opinion is we bottom out around 35K. I won't be surprised if we go down to 31. But I do think at least 35, and honestly, this would be fine. We spend a little bit of time here, maybe wick below this number. We could wick below this. Technically, it would be a chotch, but it would be okay. It's only on the hourly. Should be fine, or the 4-hour, whatever chart I'm on. And then we can work our way back up, and then Bob's your uncle. And then if that happens, and we don't continue down, if we work our way back up, this will be the line to beat right here. It will not be easy to break, because this still is a possibility. This can happen too. And then we can then do this, and then maybe break out. That's not what I want. I want to get out of this range. I'm tired of this range. But that will be our level to beat if we respect this level here. Our next level to beat will be this high right here, and hopefully we do. Hopefully we do. And that, my friends, is going to do it for this episode. Please subscribe to the channel for more analysis and predictions, as well as educational videos. We've got a bunch of them firing up. I've also started introducing signals. I will be putting signals up on the YouTube video, up on the YouTube channel in the form of shorts. Hopefully they work out, otherwise I'm going to look real foolish. And we're going to be going from there. Don't forget to check out our Discord server as well. Link in the description below. Thank you so very much for watching. Take it easy.